In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign envelope with attachments. By the end, you'll know how to send a document for signature and let recipients upload supporting files right inside the signing experience. First, sign into your account at DocuSign.com. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we need is on the home screen. Once you're in, start a new envelope by selecting New and then Send an envelope. This opens a clean setup page where you'll add documents, recipients, and the fields that guide the signing process. Begin by uploading your main document. Click Upload or Add Documents and choose the file that needs signatures. PDF and Word files work great. This is the primary document everyone will review and sign, so make sure it's finalized before sending. Quick tip: if your file is large, compressing it can improve upload speed and recipient experience. Next, add your recipients. Enter each person's name and email. Assign a role such as Signer, CC, or Approver, and set a signing order if one person needs to act before another. For example, you might have an Approver review first, then a Signer, and finally a CC who just receives a copy. Clear roles prevent delays and confusion later. By the way, you'll find a direct link to DocuSign at the very top of the description, so you can jump right in when you're ready. Now it's time to enable attachments. Move to the tagging screen, where you place fields onto the document. From the left panel, drag the attachment field onto the page where you want a recipient to upload files. Assign the field to the correct recipient. And, if the file is mandatory, like an ID or a certificate, mark the field as required so the envelope can't be completed without it. While you're tagging, add the essentials: signature fields where people must sign, date signed to timestamp the action, text fields for any short entries, and initials if you need acknowledgement on specific sections. Double check that each field is assigned to the right person and that any critical fields are marked as required. Before sending, use Preview to review the envelope. Confirm every field is correctly placed. Verify that attachment fields belong to the right recipients, and adjust optional settings like the email subject or reminders to keep the process moving. When everything looks perfect, click Send. Your recipients will receive the envelope, complete their fields, add any required attachments, and finish the signing process. That's all you need to create a DocuSign envelope with attachments. Thanks for watching.